Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video today I have brought a friend of mine to share with you some basic steps to use green screen effect in Filmora. So here we go. Hey guys, Arthur here, and today I will give you some basic steps to use green screen effect or chroma key in Filmora. So green screen effect is not new thing, it's just like the feature content in Filmora, but it's so useful effect that help you to implement your ideas by many ways. So let's get started. Okay, let's jump right in Filmora and I'll show you how. So to use the green effect in Filmora, that's just easy. First of all, you need your main footage and you put it the first light, right? And the second one that you need the green effect video. And here I go to film stock from Filmora and it try you some preset video with green effect here. And I stick with the opening, right? And now you take a look. That's nothing happen, right? And you pay attention here. When you use the green effect, you with the main video footage, you put it with the green effect video, you put it about the main video footage, right? And now you double click with the green effect video and go to the RE tools and you select the chroma key, click the white font here to activate green effect. And with select color box, you select the green and that's happen, right? Again, you may wonder why people use the green, because the green that's not the color in our skin, and that's why they use green screen effect for most of video like the Marvel, by the fiction movie like that. And you see how it works, right? That's easy to use with the Filmora. Right, you can add some more with the explosion. And boom, here with explosion green effect, I'll need to activate chroma key first, right? And now it happened. No worry. Yeah, you see that? And one more thing here with the chroma key panel, it write you a control panel here with offset tolerance. Offset tolerance, you see that it's changing here around the smokes, and with the egg thickness, make it clear with the egg clear fade out, right? And at the filter the same. You see that? And all of them allow you to add keyframe that you can take advantages of this, right? That's all how you can use the screen effect from Filmora. That's easy to use. But here I one more tip for you here, that you can draw the green effect by yourself. Okay, let me show you here my video in the previous. That's my original video. You take a review. And that's here, nothing happened to the horse here. You see that? And that's nothing. Here in the raw video I make by myself, right? And now I add string by go to the stock media and film stock and solid color and roll down and select the green color here and then add it here. And to easy to adjust, you need to lock the main footage first, and then with green effect, green color, you just shrink it down. That's easy to fit with any point that you want. Here I choose my laptop screen and I want to change it, and it a little bit needs you require you a lot of time and your patience to adjust frame by frame. I spend more half an hour to adjust it for this, and you just need time to adjust a little bit to fix. And here I show you, to save your time, I show you my final result here. And now with my final result, And you see, when they enter, and my final result appear here, right here with ring effect. And now I may change it by any video that I want, right? Sorry, like this. Now, you see, and you just double click again and click right button to add the chroma key, and then select color box to the green color. Maybe you get the trouble that the bigger than your screen, and you just shrink it down. Sorry, you lock it again. Easy to shrink it down to fit. You see, you want to focus on the two people here, or you want the whole video, shrink it down to fit with your video, right? That's easy to use, hearts. So that's all the tip I want to share with you for how you can use the green effect today. And I hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to give me thumbs up for my video, and subscribe my channel if you want to see more. Thank you very much guys for your watching, and see you next time. See ya.